To perform playback on the app, you need to come to the video icon at the middle right side of the screen. Click on it, and once you do, you will be able to see all the cameras. The video footage for all the cameras is what is being displayed at the bottom. You can scroll through the entire video footage. Click at any particular point or any timestamp in the video footage to see the video footage for that time. We can go in and out of any camera by double-clicking it. We'll be going into the second camera, the camera at the top right corner of the screen. We'll double-click or double-tap on it depending on your lingo. Now we can watch only the footage from this camera. We can pause the playback, we can fast-forward using the icons, etc. This is how to perform playback on the Smart Guardian app.